Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best folding shelf brackets available on the market. The AUTOHJ folding shelf brackets, 24-inch size. If you're someone who values both strength and space-saving design, these brackets are designed to meet your needs perfectly. These folding shelf brackets measure 24 inches in length and come as a pair, made from high-quality metal with a sleek black painted finish. This finish not only gives them a modern look but also provides resistance against scratches, corrosion, and everyday wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting durability. One of the standout features of these brackets is their collapsible design. They lock firmly at a 90-degree angle, giving you a sturdy support structure whenever you need it. But when you're done, a simple press on the release arm lets the brackets fold flat against the wall, saving precious space. This makes them ideal for smaller rooms, garages, workshops, or anywhere you need a flexible shelving solution. The construction uses a triangle structure, which is known for its strength and stability. These brackets can hold up to 177 pounds per pair, meaning they're strong enough to support heavy tools, equipment, or large shelving boards. Whether you want to create a workstation in your garage, a foldable study desk for kids, a bench in your backyard, or just some extra shelving space in your kitchen or laundry room, these brackets provide reliable support. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The package includes all the necessary hardware, screws and expansion anchors, so you don't need to buy anything extra. The key to a successful installation is ensuring that the two brackets are mounted parallel to each other and perfectly perpendicular to the wall, which guarantees optimal support and folding action. In addition to their practical functionality, these brackets also look great mounted on your wall. Their clean black painted finish complements a variety of interior styles, making them not just a functional addition but an aesthetic one as well. Overall, the AUTOHJ 24-inch folding shelf brackets offer a perfect combination of heavy-duty strength, smart foldability, and elegant design. They're ideal for anyone looking to maximize space without sacrificing durability or style. If you want a flexible shelving solution that adapts to your needs and stands the test of time, these brackets are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest and detailed reviews. See you in the next video.